Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my easy and simple brownie recipe. For this recipe you need 250 grams of self-raising flour, 60 grams of cocoa powder, 125 grams of fine brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, pinch of salt. You need a sieve, 150 grams of melted butter, a bar of dark chocolate, 2 room temperature eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat the oven for 350 degrees fan or 180 degrees oven. First of all, mix all dry ingredients in a bowl. Use a sieve to sift the flour for lighter texture. Now add all other dry ingredients. This is a very easy and simple brownie to make, and you can enjoy this brownie with your afternoon tea. When all dry ingredients are well mixed, leave it in a side. Now use another separate bowl and add your melted butter and eggs and mix it until it's well combined. Now add all dry ingredients in the butter and mix it very well. When it's well mixed, now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix it until it's well combined. Now add your favorite semi-dark chocolate and mix it very well with all the butter. Now lightly grease the baking tray with the butter or oil. Now you can use a baking paper if you want, but it's completely optional. If you don't have any baking paper, don't worry. You can still bake your brownie without the baking paper. That's fine. Now place all the butter in the baking tray and bake it 350 degrees fan or 180 degrees oven for 20 to 25 minutes. But remember one thing, do not over bake the brownie, otherwise you will lose the taste of the brownie. After 25 minutes, take out the brownie out of the oven and wait until it's cooled down. You can sprinkle some icing for decoration. Now slice the brownie in nice square shapes. You can enjoy this brownie with your favorite hot drink. I hope you all liked my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching with me. Bye.